about flight. For your convenience, we constantly discuss special elements in the console in the panel above your head. So let's go to that waiter when at the content of the middle of the cabin. In a few minutes, you shall be back to the cabin hour straight out of the seat opening you. Hot and cold drinks, coffee, cappuccino, hot chocolate, espresso. Sandwiches, pizza, hot dogs, minerals, fruits, beer and wine, beer, Pringles, Marketers, M&M's, chocolate bars, and many more. For information about our products and prices, you may visit our menu card and catalog on our website and inside this presentation. But for now, we invite you to relax and try to fly to us. And ladies and gentlemen, we like to recommend you our sandwiches with cheese, chicken, or salami, selling on webshop for only €5. Chocolate bars like pasta balls, Snickers, Bounty, Twix, and many more. And this is like on the end of the site and we can come to contact and also having to member. Thank you.